Very simple steaks with Bearnaise sauce, and we're gonna serve it up with some store-bought steak fries. Can you throw the store-bought steak fries in the oven that is preheated?
I sure can.
To 450 degrees. Thank you
it.
very much.
My pleasure.
So for the steaks, flank or skirt is really where you need to go on this. I like skirt. It's marbled, it's delicious, it's very forgiving, and my sister and my mom love overcooked steaks, so it lends itself to that. What did I season it with? Oh, look, I get this for free. Rachael Ray's 24/7 seasoning. Now, if you want to
It's so good.
make your own, salt, pepper, a little coriander, a little cumin would do you well for
But
this.
those red pepper flakes
Yeah.
too. Ooh.
I know. And we're gonna fit as many steaks as your pan will hold. You can cook these 2 at a time, guys.
Ooh.
Right? Don't force it, because what we don't want to do is overcrowd. Another thing that's super important is to always get a flat cast iron surface, super hot, but over medium to medium high heat. And we get it really, really hot and put very little oil. I give it a spray with innocuous oil. Also, before we cook the steak, pat it dry and season it liberally right before you put it into the pan and bring it to room temperature. We don't want to put freezing cold food into a super hot pan. It'll seize up on you. So guys, in this little strainer here, I have actually I grated mine, a little bit of grated shallot and kind of the remnants of a couple of small sprigs of tarragon. What I did was I put them in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white wine vinegar, and a tiny splash, about the same amount, of white wine. And then I just let that come to a simmer with a couple sprigs of tarragon, fresh tarragon, and a few peppercorns, okay? Then I took this tiny strainer and put it into a bowl, and I've now added 3 egg yolks. Now, these are super brilliant orange, so my Bearnaise sauce, which is what we're trying to make here, might be a little different in color than yours. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to combine those egg yolks and get them going. And now Mary is going to slowly, please, stream in 3/4 of a cup of ghee. Ghee is clarified butter. What we're doing, guys, is tempering eggs. We are tempering the yolks to make a sauce. We're looking pretty good.
This is good.
Look, guys, look how thick. It's perfect. You can thin it with a splash of water or a touch of lemon. Mary, add a touch of lemon.
Got it.
Now we're going to dress the salad. What is the salad? We have baby gem romaine. We have some endive. And we have a little bit of torn escarole. And I also love shaved cheese. And all we have to do now is put lemon juice and olive oil on them. If you want to make a salad dressing, this is one of my favorites. It's a small shallot grated into a jar, a few tablespoons of sherry vinegar, and the juice of 1/2 of 1 small lemon, 1 little drizzle of sweetness, honey or agave, and then, whoops, all over the steak. A bigger boop, about a tablespoon of Dijon. I like a 1/2 and 1/2 of the olive oil. Put the lid on the mason jar, and you just do this.
So simple. So perfect.
So fun.
So perfect.
So we make salad dressing in a mason jar. We'll dress the salad and serve up the steak. I'm going to finish slicing. But guys, remember, the important part was to rest the steak before we cut it and after. Look at that. Perfect temperature. So sauce Bearnaise, ours is quite orange instead of white because of the brightness of our egg yolks.
The texture is perfection.
We have store-bought oven fries, steak fries, and we made a gorgeous salad.
Order salad.